Where is he? There he is! Yeah! Freedom.
Have you got him? You get him.
Stop that.
Okay, none of you guys.
Aww.
Can you move, please?
No. You cannot afford for it. Oh, you suck.
Let's roll.
Get the diamond pick.
And the cows revolt. No, get him.
Ah, you suck.
Oh, what? It just bounced off your butt. That's unfair.
My butt is cold.
Where is this person? I am going to set them on fire.
What one?
Where is the noise of this? Oh, Zambi! Zambi! We gotta kill him! Kill Zambi!
Yeah, I got him.
You did it. You did it. I believe. I believe. Watch this stuff. I believe.
I'm not remember. You boo.
Pushing.
Remember?
To the island.
Alright!
Oh.
Leave me alone. I will kick you. I swear to God.
Oh,
My public, try to join Arden. Nickels on.
I'm back in.
You're killing me.
No, I'm not.
We promise.
Second, I need to do one thing.
I have one heart left, you guys. Laker Maker, where are you going? Jesus, no! Bad public.
I said try Arden.
Page.
I'm now stuck. We're now stuck.
God.
That's it.
Let me in. Let me get some air. No,
Oh, you
move.
won't let me on fire?
Let me get some air.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
No, you can't have air. You can't have air.
No, now you're screwed.
Now I'm gonna let you on fire.
No, I have like 0 hearts. No.
Let him join Arden, seriously.
Staying here.
You can make it, Laker Maker. Over here. Laker,
Uh-oh, I'm dead. Oops.
go get stuff.
Well, I've now got 3 iron ore.
Hold on the ground, really.
Good job. Hey Ben,
Yeah.
remember the TNT?
Oh yeah. We tried to break down like that fort and like Noah kept on failing.
Oh, I put a look at. I put a TNT right here, and it blew up like everything.
And I kept hitting him into water so many times.
Ben, as you can tell.
My stereo beats. No.
Come on, bro. I never do.
Save your charger. Laker Maker down here.
I'm stuck.
I got MW. I got Left 4 Dead.
Cool.
I got
Laker Maker.
Shader too.
That's cool, man. Laker Maker.
Oh.
Ben, you gotta get MW. You gotta get Left 4 Dead.
I've got.
Come on,
Good.
go. You got
Okay.
this. Come on, scuba diver.
Yay! It's all at the bottom.
Now you're screwed.
By the way, if I die, I lose your pick and enchantment table.
Whoa. Let us take that stuff first.
I'm gonna die again, I think.
We have insurance, so
You put a block over it, didn't you?
yeah. No, just go to the side, like over the. Once you get to the wall.
I'm dead.
What? Good job. Wow. No, you just have to get to the.
Bye.